blessings. So this morning, some of the stories that we have here, updates and most recent. In order for you to get these news items on a daily, you need to join the family, and it's quite easy. All you have to do is ensure that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, why not subscribe? Please, I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Intro, soon forward. We are covering St. James and St. Andrew. The security forces seized a combined total amount of 10 million Jamaican dollars, and the currencies that were tallied to complete the said sum is 40,000 US dollars, 29,000 Canadian dollars, and 537,000 Jamaican dollars in cash. And that is from one of the targeted premises in St. Andrew during the joint multi-agency anti-narcotics operation in St. Andrew and St. James yesterday. During the operation, they also seized 6 high-end vehicles, and they include 2 Mercedes-Benz, 1 Toyota Tacoma truck, 1 Honda CR-V, 1 Lexus motor car, and 1 Infiniti SUV. The multi-agency investigations are ongoing, and I would love if it was a case where the US authorities could take as many scammers as possible when leaving the island on their way back to the States. I mean, just take them and go on with them. Them energy no right. We don't want them down here. We're tired of them. Alright? Over to some new faces that every Jamaican must be aware of. Starting off, we have Blacks. Black till him shine and a reflect. He is wanted by the Westmoreland Division for wounding with intent and illegal possession of firearm. We're also seeking your help to locate Vivian Godfrey. Them call him Clansman. And don't make the surname fool you. Godfrey. There is nothing Christ-like about this man. Him fully done. He is also wanted by the Westmoreland Division for shooting with intent. So, hurry up and find them and put them down. Across to the neighboring parish, St. James, a multi-caliber rifle along with a 9mm pistol and over 100 rounds of assorted ammunition were seized during a targeted operation in the parish yesterday, Wednesday evening, which was July 20. Stick around for an update, more details soon. And as we continue to focus on the Donna-Lee's mystery, there's this one paragraph that kept on coming. I mean, it's on repeat. So my attentiveness, I would say, capture a specific sentence from said paragraph that goes something like this. It is alleged that the current anonymous female in question, who allegedly accompanied District Constable Cathy Ann Simmet to the apartment, it is alleged that the female is Cathy Ann's sister, and she's also a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, allegedly. And if I really saw it go, think about it. Which girl is best or more generous to help their peer? If you beat a girl, we take her man. Now your sister, that's the only sure loyalty you could really rely on. Think about it. Your sister go help you mash down a girl. We are take your man. So if the allegations turns out to be factual, that Cathy Ann's Simmet sister was her partner in crime the day in question, then this is a closed case, a done deal. Even the court of public opinion can decide their fate. Anyhow, this piece of information is precise, then this case is already solved. It's a conspiracy. So Noel Maitland, Kathy Ann Simit, and all who were behind the scene, the members who assisted by even keeping a secret of what really happened to young, innocent Donna-Lee Donaldson, must face judgment. And if them beat the case and migrate overseas, then my family members live out here. Just pepper them. Simple. But me would have want to see Noel head bust still, to be honest. And I'm not here trying to instigate or incite violence, but that's the only solution for a crime right now. Harsher punishments. Go hard on the criminal them. Even if it involves giving a person a dose of his or her own medicine. So, if you get all up in your feelings and kill a man out of ego, anger, bad mind, or anything other than trying to defend yourself in a self-defense situation, you are going to get a dose of your own medicine. Prepare for dead back. Prepare to give up somebody back as sacrifice then. And that is what Kathy Ann Simit and Noel Maitland truly deserves. A dose of their own medicine. Catch somebody for them, someone close to them. And then you look at the Maitlands, the lovebirds, and pop the question, ask them, what does it taste like? You harm a member of my family, and I share the experience. It's just a dose of your own medicine. Take a seat and let it digest, bro. Cause if I so be the case, the whole of we have to go bury somebody. Yeah, man. There you have it. But most importantly, remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way there. So that way, you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.